Hi, day 3. My name is Michelle and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Do yoga or try a stretching class. Stretching or yoga or even others physical activity like just putting your arms up or stretching actually reduces stress and is also able to stop the spiral of cluttered thoughts. So try some yoga. Do you do yoga? Write in the comments if you know some great routines. Share with others, share with me. I'm always looking for new stuff to try. So, day 3, do some stretching, try some yoga classes. Take care, stay safe.